Preview.
Parikshit. Hi friends, this is Parikshit from Kids Fun Learn Club and he will tell us what are we going to draw today.
Today we are going to, I promise you, we are going in the strawberry drawing, we are going to make a banana.
Yeah, we are going to make 3 bananas. Like we made 3 strawberries, we are going to make 3 bananas. One for Parikshit, one for his dad and one for his mom. So we will need a black sketch pen. We are using Sharpies, some colors and a white paper. And let's start the fun.
Yeah.
Parikshit, don't hurry. Wait.
I know.
Follow me or else you will go wrong.
I'm not going to go wrong.
Parikshit, beta, what are you doing? This is the first banana. Okay. This is the second banana.
Now let's color it.
And this is the
In a brown
third.
color, yellow, and dark orange.
Why do we need a dark orange color?
I know why we need.
We just need a yellow color. Right friends? A yellow and okay, before we start coloring, Parikshit, let's share some information with our friends.
But why are you getting?
Let us share some information with our friends. Is what I'm saying you. So parents, parents, do not forget to share your kids' drawings with us on Instagram to win some exciting goodies. And kids, if you are not able to catch up, pause the drawing, stop the drawing and keep drawing. And even if the drawing is not good, the most important thing is to learn and to practice and
Have fun.
with Kids Fun Learn Club
Parikshit.
and Parikshit. Are you done?
No.
Parikshit, are you done?
No.
Why?
But please don't help me.
Okay, I won't help you. Parikshit does not like me helping you, you know.
It's not a nice habit.
Yeah, it's not a nice habit. You should do things on your own. Even if you are a little slow, that is okay. But you should do things on your own.
Yeah.
So let's wait. Until we wait, I'll share with you one important message. We have exciting learning books for your kids. They can learn step-by-step drawings and you can buy these books from www.kidsfunlearnclub.com/books. So we will be waiting for your orders and you have surprise gifts waiting for you there. So do not forget to buy your books there. Wish you all the best and have fun with Kids Fun Learn Club. And do not forget to like.
Yeah.
So do not forget to
Like and subscribe.
Parikshit's Kids Fun Learn Club.
Yeah. Channel.
Bye bye. Have a good day.